how to use gift codes in Whiteout Survival. So once you've opened up the game and have unlocked most of the features of the game, of course, so no more storytellings, I mean there will be, but you have most of the controls now. So just go ahead to the top left corner of your screen where you can see your profile picture. Now here in your profile picture, you can see the settings button in the bottom right corner, which is shaped as a cog. Now, in your settings, just go ahead and find the gift codes, which is right beside the notifications and above privacy policy. Now, just press on that, and once you have done so, you'll be able to place your gift codes in mind or that's been given to you. So let's say, let's put in a existing code. Hopefully this still exists, so happy 25. It should still be unlocked. Oh, it's out of redemption period, so make sure the codes you're using are usable. Alright, let's go ahead and try one more. B. And still doesn't work, unfortunately. But if you do manage to find a code that does work, then just go ahead and place that one. Keep in mind that codes do expire quite fast, so you gotta be a bit, in update with the codes. So just go ahead and search for them in the browser. So official wikis should have them there. But anyways, if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.